A decrease of 4% in Ethereum is projected by 30 rates by March 23. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Right now, Ethereum is showing a daily loss of 1.6% and sits close to $2,118.23. Let's pull up the analysts' expectations. By March 23, Crypto Predictions expects the asset to be at $2,189.11, which would be an increase of roughly 3.4%. Coin price forecast suggests Ethereum could slide toward $2,115, losing approximately 0.1%. According to Cryptonization, it could weaken toward $2,091.19, a downward move of 1.2%. A different projection from 30 rates sees Ethereum dropping toward $2,033, a decrease of about 4%. Finally, CoinDataFlow forecasts a fall to $1,942.19 by March 23, 8.3% down. This one gives the best return. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. Forecast data shows possible changes ranging from a drop of 8.3% to a rise of 3.4%. This means CoinDataFlow comes in with the top forecast with 8.3% gain in value by tomorrow. This means you could see a return of between $1 and $83 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Coin Price Forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 94.3%. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. Consensus data positions Ethereum for a potential 2% decline by tomorrow. Let's check the details. Consensus expectations call for a 2% reduction in value. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 2%. With 1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $20. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 86.4%. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Crypto Predictions signals a lack of momentum in the near term. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast highlights stability, pointing out that Ethereum is unlikely to shift significantly. Cryptonization sees Ethereum on a downward slope. Additionally, 30 rates expects Ethereum to head lower. A bearish stance is meanwhile reflected in CoinDataFlow's forecast. According to the consensus, Ethereum may see a continued slide in the near term. In conclusion, most analysts expect Ethereum to move onto a downward track. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $2,084.98. In this case, the majority of analysts got the move correct. Accuracy-wise, Traders Union provided the tightest prediction. Now we'll take it step by step. 4 forecasts ended up inside a daily candle. For ROI, there were several strong results, and Traders Union came out on top. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. In today's data, CoinCodex registered $87.38 in accuracy, 91.7% forecast probability, and minus 2.8% ROI. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. Ethereum leads the ranking for tomorrow's expected returns with 2%. For now, I've compared Ethereum with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst statistics will be available soon on my site and Telegram channel. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. Catch you in tomorrow's forecast batch.